Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this paint by line Christmas sign. I'm going to go in first and base coat my background in the color Sea Glass. And if you wanted to wait for everything to dry, you could go in and base coat over the lettering and then go back later so that you didn't have to do any kind of outlining. And then I'm going to go in with Barn Red and do some diagonal candy cane stripes on my deer lettering. And then I'm going to go over and fill in the rest of that lettering with cotton. Also use Barn Red to fill in the berries on my sign. And I'm going to use cotton to fill in the little snowflakes that are falling around my sign. And I'm going in now with limeade for my O. Next, I'll go in with putty for my antlers. And again, just filling in those little snowflakes with cotton. And now that everything's dry, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and outline everything. I'm also going to go in with a little bit of chocolate on a paintbrush, and I'm just going to wipe most of it off. And then I'm going to distress that onto my antlers. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of evergreen, and I'm going to paint, actually this is kudzu, and I'm just painting the little accents on my berries, and then I'm highlighting everything in cotton, and that will complete my project. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.